Hi, this is Lalita. In this class, I will explain all the topics in real numbers. Come to the topics here. In real number, most chances for getting in board exams are first one, fundamental of arithmetic. What do you mean by fundamental of arithmetic? That means every composite number we can write the product of primes. Yeah, every composite number, suppose 6. How can you write 2 into 3? Are 2 or 3 primes or not? Yeah, so every composite number we can write the product of prime numbers. Yeah, come to the second one, LCM and HCF using prime factorization. Already from lower classes you are learning LCM and HCF. Here we have the two methods, prime factorization and division method. Particularly most chances we will get in board exams are prime factorizations. LCMs, HCFs in prime factorization. The third one is word problems on HCF and LCM. Already in the previous class I explained so many word problems they given related to LCMs and HCF. Yeah, 3 bells are ringing, 3 traffic rules are going, 3 members are walking, 2 members are moving, like that so many questions they are asking. When he used the words smallest, least, less number, minimum, all yet together, all at once, together, like these words, when he used, most chances he had to find LCM. Maximum, longest, greatest, when he used the words, this one is, most chances he had to go to HCF. Okay, the next one is relation between HCF and LCM. Already you know what is the relation between LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So most of the times he given by applying the formula also we will get the question in board exams. The last one but not least, it's 100% sure question is proof of irrationality. That means prove root 2 is irrational, prove root 5 is irrational, prove 3 minus 2 root 6 is irrational, like that proof of irrationality. So in real numbers, most chances for getting in board exams are fundamental of arithmetic, LCM and HCF using prime factorization, word problems on HCF, LCM, relation between HCF and LCM, and proof of irrationality. Okay, so the continuation we will start. Already individually I explained everything here. Did you remember? Yes. What is the fundamental of arithmetic? It is every composite number we can write product of primes. Am I right? Product of primes. Like that. What is the relation between LCM and HCF? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Which questions we have chance? He will give some numbers 2 into 11 into 4 into some 7 plus 4. Is it composite number? What do you mean by composite numbers? Which has more than 2 factors. They are known as composite numbers. Only 2 factors, that means 1 and itself. Then we will say they are prime numbers. That is the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers means it has only 2 factors. Composite number means more than 2 factors. Is it clear? LCM, least common multiple. HCF, highest common factor. Yeah, about the LCM and HCF in 10th class, 100% sure. From 5th class onwards you are learning LCM and HCF sums. The relation between these two related questions also number of times he given. So be concentrate on that even. Maybe in the lower classes he given a single digit or 2 digit number. Now you are in 10th class, that's what he will give the 2 or 3 digit numbers. So you have to find the prime factorization or division method. How to find the LCMs and HCF, be perfect in that area. Okay, word problems, particularly most students they will miss in word problems. Okay, how can they miss without reading the question properly? Read the question properly, which is so required. Read the question properly, then answer it. What he given? What can we find? Is it related to this or not? Everything is calculated. Most of the students doing the mistake is without reading the proper question they'll start answering, which is completely wrong. So read the question properly once or twice. Then you will start answering. Okay, basing on the question he given, it is the information. For the maths, we have the good chances we can write the given information, which is possible for only math subject. For the remaining subject, we are not having that chance. So better to, he will give some information. Basing on that, we have to move the continuation solution. That's what first we write the given information. Given, he given something. That thing he had to write it. For that marks allotment will be directly we will start answering. Yeah, but no, allotments will be given. He given this information, you have to write. Yeah, we have to start the continuation part like this. Okay, and the next 6 to the power of n can end with the digit 0. 15 power n can end with the digit 0. 8 power n can end with the digit 0. Yeah, like that questions we have the chance. And the composite number is the composite or not, we have that chance. LCM's HCF we have, and the proof of irrationality, root 3, prove root 3 is irrational, and prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, and the word problems related to that. So concentrate on that. The first question is 3 into 12 into 101 plus 4 prime or composite? Is it prime or composite? How can we conclude it? Yeah, it has only two factors, that means 1 and itself. Then we can conclude, yes, it is prime. Suppose you proved at least one factor more. It has more than two factors, then we can conclude its composite number. Yeah, come to here. Is this number prime or composite? Yeah, plus or minus divides the numbers, divides the term. Plus before some number you are observing, plus after you are observing one of the number. Did you observe any common thing from that? Yeah, any common table have? Here one number, here one number. Yeah, fourth table has these 12. So I want to take 4 as a common factor. Then 3 as it is. How many times of 4 you will get 12? It's 3. 101 as it is. Plus, what can I write here? Fourth table has 4. How many times? One time. Most of the students will do this mistake even. Here already 4 as a common factor they are writing outside. That's what here nothing is there. They will feel like that, but no. 4 times of 1 is 4. So surely you have to write 1 here. Don't leave like that. Don't write 0. 4 times of 1 is 4. So you have to write 1 here. So 4 into 3 3s are 9. 9 into 101 plus 1. So by multiplying 4 into 909 plus 1. That is 4 into 9 plus 1, 10. It's 9, 10. So 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. We got 3640 as the product. How many factors here? Is it prime number? By seeing that immediately you will get it. It's not the prime number. It's composite. How can we say? Why? Because it's even number. It's even number. So surely it is divisible by 2. Last 2 digits are 40. If last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 4 also. Okay, so surely we can conclude it's a composite number. Otherwise here 4 into 9 10. There only we understand 4 and 9 10 are the factors of the given number. Yeah, 4 and 9 10 are factors of 3640. So here it has more than 2 factors. Still it has so many factors. But we want to prove its composite means at least one extra factor is there, then we can conclude it's composite. Yeah, one table has this number. 3640 has this number. It's clear, one and itself or the factors, it's clear. More than that, 4 table has that number. 2 table have this number. 910 table has this number. So we understand it's a composite. Why? Because it has more than 2 factors. So given number is composite. Understand? Given number is composite. I hope you are clear. Okay. Next one is check whether 15 power n can end with the digit 0. Can end with the digit 0. What sum I am explaining, not only this sum, every time you will be concentrate like that sums also you have to be perfect. Clear? Here is it prime or composite? Can they give directly this question? No, like these questions they will give, so you have to practice so many questions like that. Same like that here, 15 power n can end with the digit 0. Yeah, 15, how can we write? 15 power n means 3 5s are. 3 5s are. Can end with the digit 0? No, we know already if prime factors are 2 and 5. When it is multiple of 10, when it is powers of 10, then only you will get the unit digit as 0. 10 power 1, 10. 10 square, 100. Unit digit 0. 10 cube, 1000. Unit digit is 0. 10. What are the factors of 10? 2 and 5 are factors of 10. So surely here the prime factors are 2 and 5. Not only 2, not only 5. If both numbers are there as a factors, then only it can end with the digit 0. If prime factors 2 and 5, then it can end with the digit 0. But here 2 is not a factor, so it can't end with digit 0. Understand? So it doesn't end with digit 0. So not only this question, not only that question, both questions like that questions. So you have to concentrate like these questions, not only this question, that question. So don't by heart that numbers. Maths means analyze. Maths means you have to like that. Whatever is the question he given, you have to answer it. Clear? You have to answer like that questions, not only these questions. What is the meaning of LCM? You know already, least common multiple. What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. The first one in real numbers, fundamental of arithmetic. Every composite number can write the product of primes. We tried. We did the sum. Like that 15 power n can end with the digit 0. These all are related to fundamental of arithmetic. Next one, LCM and HCF using prime factorization. We will do one sum. 256 and 36. First find HCF. Next find LCM. First find HCF of 256 and 36 by using prime factorization. Which table has these two numbers? It's clear. Unit digits are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 is remainder, 1 after 6. 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remainder. After that 6. 18. Is 2 are divisible by any of the table? Again it's clear. Unit digits are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. How many times? 64 and 9. Is these two numbers are divisible by any of table? 9 means 3 table. 3 table has 64. No. No. Highest common factor means how many numbers he given that all numbers are divisible by any of the table, then only we have to write. Okay, product of common factors only, like LCM we can't continue it. Okay, so here 64 and 9 are not divisible by the same table. That's what HCF is completed. So HCF is product of common factors. We got HCF is 4. Now start LCM. LCM 256 and 36. Two table have these number 1, 2, 8. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remainder 16. Again 2 table 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. 9. 64 and 9 both are not divisible by same table. Then 2 table has these 64. 32 times. 9 is not there, so drop down as it is. Again 2 table. 16. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remainder. After the 2 we observe it's 12. 2 6 are 12. It's 9. Again 2 table 8. 9 drop down again. 2 4s are 8. 9. 3 table not having 4, drop down 4, 3 3s are 2 table 2 times, 3 drop down. If you want can stop like this. When you got the prime numbers, better to leave it. Otherwise if you want to continue up to you will get 1 and 1. Maybe according to your habit you have to continue it. 3 table has 1 comma 1. Now the LCM is LCM. How many 2s we observed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 3s? 1, 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s 32, 32 2s. 64 into 2 2s are 4 into 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16, 24 plus 1, 25. 9 6 are 54. 9 5s are 45. 45, 9 6, 54. 9 5s 45, 50. 9 2s 18, 23. Is it correct? See here. How many 2s we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See here, everything is correct or anything is missed. 2, 128, 18, 64 and 9, 32, 9, 16 and 9, 8 and 9, 4 and 9, 2 and 9, yeah, 3. Yeah, 2304, it's correct. We got HCF is 4. We got LCM is 2304. I hope you are clear. HCF means product of common factors. LCM means you will get answer 1 comma 1. You can continue. Otherwise, when you got the last numbers as the prime numbers, you can leave it. Now, I want the relation between these two. That means LCM into HCF. Can you get the product of two numbers? Product of two numbers. Yeah, LCM, how much you got? 2304. HCF means how much? It's 4. Product of two numbers, 256 into 36. Okay, you will try. I hope you are good in products. How much? Yeah, 9,216. 9,216. Like that. Maybe he'll give the two questions. Two numbers. Find LCM, HCF. Verify the relation between these two. Verify the relation. That means LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Like that questions also very important. So you have to practice in that. But we will feel it's very easy. Somewhere we will miss. Here 8 2's are there. By mistake 7 2's only we will write. We won't get the answer. Okay. So very carefully you have to move the prime factorization. How many 2's we got? How many 3's we got? Carefully you have to check it. Then you need to continue the sum. Understand? Next, like these LCMs and HCF and relation between these two. Will they give only two numbers? Means they will give three numbers also. Three numbers. Find LCM of the three numbers. HCF of the three numbers. Here LCM into HCF is equal product of three numbers. Verify. His question may be like that also. Okay? Yeah. I hope you know always HCF is factor of LCM. LCM is a multiple of HCF. So keep in your mind, which is very important. HCF is a factor of LCM. Next one word problem we will see here. The smallest number which when divides by 35 126 leaves remainder 7. What can you do here? The smallest number, underline. Smallest. So you have to go to LCM. We are clear. Yeah, what next? He given two numbers, but the remainder is only 1. So you have to subtract the remainder from every number. That means 35 minus 7. How much? It's 28. 126 minus 7. It's 119. Have to find the LCM of these two. How much? 28. 119. It's divisible by, both numbers are not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. Are they divisible by 7? Yeah, 28 is divisible by 7, like that 119 also divisible by 7. So, we will start with 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 1s are 7. 4 is remainder 49. 7, 2 table, 2 times 17. Again 2, 1, 17. 17 table 1, 1. So LCM is equal to, LCM how much? product of primes. 7 into 2 into 2 into 17. 7 2s are 14. 2 17s are 34. Multiply 14 into 34. Yeah, it's 476. Understand? Like that, word problems also you have the chance. Maybe the reminder questions. Otherwise, 3 bells where 2 members can walk around the park. What is the maximum distance they covered? What is the minimum steps they are taken? Like that question. So many chances you have related to LCM and HCF. Okay? And the next relation between LCM and HCF. The relation already you know, LCM and HCF is equal product of two numbers. Related to that, we will try one question. LCM of two numbers is equal to 1200. What is the HCF which can't be? Here he given some options. Which of the following cannot be its HCF? Can't be its HCF. He given options are 600, 500 and 400, last 200. Can you guess which can't be HCF? 600, 500, 400 or 200. Just now I said one point to you. What is that? HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. LCM is a multiple of HCF. That means compulsory this table has that number. Okay, here see here 1200 by 600. It is exactly divisible. That means what? It is exactly divisible number. 1200 by 600. Exact division. If you want, you will check it. Option A. 1200 by 600. Here zeros cancel. Have the chance. Maybe be HCF. Next. 1200 by 500. No. 12 by 5. It's not exactly divisible. That means it is not having any chance to be HCF. Option C, 400, 1200 by 400, zeros are cancelled. 3, yeah, exactly divisible. And the last one, 1200 by 200, zeros are cancelled. 2 6 times 6, it is also exactly divisible. Which is not having any chance to be HCF. It's exactly 500 is not at all having the chance to be HCF. Why? Because it is not the factor for 1200. So option B, HCF is a factor of LCM. So P, remember, surely will get the question like this one. HCF is a factor of LCM. LCM is a multiple of HCF, that both exactly divisible. Like that only is there, then only we will say. If you want as a verification also, you can check like this. You got some answer as HCF. You got some answer as LCM. Are the both are correct or not? You got some doubt. Check it. Divide that two. If it exactly divisible, most chances it be right. Otherwise, you may somewhere have to check once again. Clear? I hope you are clear. So, like these questions also, you have the chance. Word problems related to LCMs and HCF and relation of LCMs and HCF. These questions most of the times they will give in board exam. So concentrate on that. And the next one is X is equal to ABQ. Y is equal to AQB. He given the condition AB are primes. They are prime numbers. Okay. What he want? What is HCF? What is LCM? Difference between the two. Okay. HCF, always I said the least exponential term we have to take it as HCF. Okay. So here HCF is A cube. A cube, which is the least one? A. Why? Because here least exponent is 1. So A. B cube B. So which is the least exponent here? So AB. LCM means highest exponential thing we have to take it. So here A cube, which is the greatest one? A cube. B cube B, which is the greatest one? B cube. Okay, HCF is AB. LCM is A cube B cube. Can you take it anything as a common here? Yes, we have the chance. Take it AB as a common factor. Then AB already as a common factor we wrote here. So nothing is there. Can you write 0 here? Number of times I said we can't write 0. We can't leave like that. It is AB. Ones are AB. So you have to write it as 1. A cube, out of 3 A's, 1 A as a common factor. Still 2 A's are left. B cube, out of 3 B's, 1 B as a common factor. So B square. So here we can write 1 square minus AB square. Okay, by seeing this, I hope you got the formula. Yeah, from 8th class onwards you are learning. It is in the form of A square minus B square. What is the formula of A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. Okay, A plus B into A minus B. So, A means 1, B means A means 1, B means A. So, answer is AB into 1 plus AB, 1 minus AB. Clear? Up to here you are writing and leaving. Up to here writing and leaving. It's completely half of the marks you will score. Half of the marks you will lose. How much chance for simplification? You have to simplify. Otherwise you will lose marks. Yeah, you are not a kid. You are not a 6th or 7th student. As a 10th student, you have to simplify up to last step which is required. Yeah, like this one more question we will see. That is x, y are two distinct primes. P is equal to, it's one question. P is equal to x square y cube. Q is equal to x y to the power of 4. R is equal to x to the power of 5 y square. Find HCF LCM and is product of these two. Can you get product of numbers? Yeah, good question. Up to now you check the product of two numbers. Now we have to check it for the 3 numbers also. Is it satisfied? Can check it here. HCF means already I said. What is the least exponent? You have to take it that one. X square x to the power of 5. X square x to the power of 5. What is the least exponent? X. Why? Because it has only one type. So x. About the x we got it. Come to y's. Y cube y to the power of 4 y square. What is the least exponent here? It's y square. So can take it x y square. So clear, we got HCF. The least exponential thing we have to take it as HCF. The greatest exponential thing we have to take it as LCM. So into LCM. X square x to the power of 5. What is the greatest exponential form? X to the power of 5. Okay. Y cube y to the power of 4 y square. What is greatest exponential thing? Y to the power of 4. Okay, we got HCF XY square LCM X to the power of 5 Y to the power of 4. By multiply these two already exponent and powers you learn. Yeah, if bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. So here x means x to the power of 1. X into x to the power of 5. Bases are same in product. Add the exponent. So you will get x to the power of 6. Come to y's. Y square into y to the power of 4. Bases are same in multiplication. Add exponent to y to the power of 6. So you got product of LCM and HCF is x to the power of 6, y to the power of 6. Now you have to check it, product of numbers, will you get the same answer or not? You have to check that P into Q into R. What is P? P means x square y cube. Q means x, y to the power of 4. R means x to the power of 5y square. Already just now I said if the variables bases are same in multiplication, add the exponents. Like that you have to check here. X square, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 5. Bases are same in multiplication, add exponents. 2 plus 1 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So you got x to the power of 8. Now base has y. Can check it. Y cube into y to the power of 4 into y square. Bases are same in multiplication. Add exponents. So y to the power of 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 2 9. Y to the power of 9. Did you get two equal answer? No. They are not equal. Basing on that, what will you conclude? HCF into LCM is not equal to product of 3 numbers. That condition is only product of 2 numbers. But come to here, he given the 3 numbers, which is not possible. Okay, not only this sum, it's a verification. It is just you are checking. So whenever he given the 3 numbers, this condition is not suitable for 3 numbers. That condition is only for 2 numbers. So here HCF into LCM is not equal to product of 3 numbers. Okay, product of 3 numbers. I hope you are clear. Did you understand what are the questions I am explaining in my class? They all are given in previous board papers. Keep in your mind. Don't be neglect. Concentrate on this. Try to learn like these questions. Practice it well. Okay. Next is proofs of irrationals. Okay. Proofs of irrational. Proofs of irrationals, which are so sure questions. Already number of times I explained. You learn perfectly. For CBSE board people also already started the first exam. So in that also real numbers is the first chapter they given in the syllabus. So concentrate. Okay, now proof of root 5. Root 5 irrational. We have to prove root 5 is irrational. Okay, I assumed it's not irrational. It is rational. Let root 5 is rational. Let root 5 is rational. What do you mean by rational? Which is in the form of A by B. Okay, so here I am taking root 5 is equal to A by B. Number of times I stress rational, which are in the form of numerator by denominator, which belongs to integer, denominator not equal to 0. Like that, they must be co-primes. What do you mean by co-primes? They have the only common factor is 1. No other table have these numbers. Which one keep in your mind? they must be co-primes. That means you have to write it always simplest form. No common factor have this both numerator and denominator. Okay. So I am squaring on both sides. So you will get root 5 whole square is equal to a square by b square. Okay. Then here square and root will cancel. 5 is equal to a square by b square. 5b square is equal to a square. That means a square is equal to 5b square. What will you write? A square is 5 into something. 5 into something. 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 10, 5 into 20, 5 into 50. It's multiple of 5. Which is in 5 table. It's multiple of 5. So a square is multiple of 5. A square is multiple of 5. So a is also multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. A square is in 5 table, then automatically a is also in a 5 table. Multiple of 5. So you are assuming a is equal to 5c. Why? Because we have a is multiple of 5. A is equal to 5 into something. 5 into something. That something I am assuming as c here. Now squaring on both sides. Then a square is equal to 5c whole square. And the most of students will do the same mistake is here. They won't keep bracket here. They are writing 5c square, which is completely wrong. Surely you have to take its bracket. So a square is equal to 5. We have to square it and c also. Number you need to square and the letter even. 5 square, it's 25. C square. Letter by squaring you will get c square or a square or b square. Number by squaring 5 square it's 25. You will get one complete number. Already we know the value of a square. How much? It's 5b square. So substitute. Instead of a square, I am writing it's 5b square. Okay, I want b square. 25c square by 5. So b square is 5c square. Like that you got here even. B square is 5 into something. B square is multiple of 5. So B is also multiple of 5. B square is multiple of 5. So B is also multiple of 5. What we got here? A is in multiple of 5. B is also multiple of 5. That means A and B both are multiples of 5, which contradicts our assumption. What I said at starting, they must be co-primes. What do you mean by co-primes? Their common factor is only 1. But here what we observed, these both are in 5 table, which contradicts as rational. Okay, A and B. A and B are multiples of 5, which contradicts our assumption. Which contradicts our assumption. Why? Because you already said rational, which are in the form of numerator by denominator. Not only that, they must be integers. Not only that, they must be co-primes. As a 10th grade students, as a higher students, you have to write it in simplest form. You need to write it in standard form. We can't leave like that. They must be co-primes. What do you mean by co-primes? Their common factor is only 1. But here what you observe, these both numbers are in 5 table, which contradicts. Yeah, that's what. So root 5 is not rational. It's Irrational. Irrational. He given prove 6 minus 3 root 5 is irrational. The continuation of these ones. Suppose he asks. Same like the before sum, I assumed it's rational. He said prove it's irrational. No, I want to take that's rational. So let 6 minus 3 root 5 is rational. Rational means which is in the form of A by B or P by Q. Only the root 5 is one side remaining, all the numbers or terms you have to transpose to opposite side. It is minus 3 root 5. That's what I want to transpose this minus 3 root 5 to opposite side for getting the positive. So here we have 6. I want to take that A by B to this side, minus A by B. Here 3 root 5 I am transposing. Yeah, here between the rational numbers either plus or minus you have to go for made them denominator are same, find the LCM. What is the LCM here? It's B, product of denominators. When are you writing product of denominators as LCM? Go to cross product, always which is not possible. When are you writing product of denominators as LCM? Then only you can go to cross product. So 6 into B, 6B. Minus A into 1, A1s are A. Here 3 into root 5, its product is going on. I want to take 3 to opposite side. There its product is going on. I am taking opposite. So division. Now it is in the form of numerator by denominator. So that means we got rational number. Here no common factors are there. They are co-primes. But just now we proved root 5 is irrational. But we got rational. Is it possible? No. Here you got rational. But already we proved it's irrational. Yeah, root 5 is irrational, just now you proved. But here you got numerator by denominator, which is in the form of P by Q, which contradicts our assumption. 6 minus 3 root 5 is not rational. It is irrational. It is irrational. Did you understand? Proof of this one is also very important. Okay, be concentrate on real numbers. That is fundamental of arithmetic. LCM, HCF in the prime factorization and division method. What problems related to LCM and HCF and the relation between HCF and LCM. Proofs of irrationality. Everything is very important in every area. Most of the times they given in the board exam. So practice it well. And do all the sums, not only what sums explained by me, every sum you have to practice it related to this one. Is it clear? The homeworks I will give in description. We follow that homeworks. Do you have any doubts or comment to me? Then I will answer it. Okay, thank you and concentrate. These all the sums, practice it very well. Thank you.